students. I have started discussing in state line, and I have written three or four forms of the equation of the state line. Now, the fifth form of the equation of the state line is the normal form. Let's first see what are the previous one. Here you can see the previous class. This was a lecture one. Here I have obtained uh, lecture one. Here I obtained some forms of straight line. The general formula of the straight line was this is ax plus by plus c is a straight line, which represents a straight line. So, then this is a general form of a straight line, and the tangent form, which I put that it is equal to y equal to mx plus c. M is the tendency of the straight line, and c is the straight line next to the y-axis, the part of the intercept point is c. So this is the tangent form, and the intercept form, if the straight line intersects the axes at alpha 0 point and 0 beta, then the equation will be x by alpha plus y by beta is equal to 1. And the 2-point form, if we have 2 points given, p x1 y1 and q x2 y2, what will be the equation of the straight line? Y y1 x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1. Now the fifth is the lecture 2. The fifth is the normal form or the perpendicular form. Here we will draw axes. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. And we will draw a straight line here in this. This is the straight line. Now, from the origin, there is a perpendicular on the straight line. Its length is the length of the perpendicular is p, and the perpendicular makes the x-axis theta angle. This is theta. Then what will be the equation of the straight line with respect to p and theta? So what we'll take here, we will take that this is alpha 0, straight line intercept the axis at alpha 0, and with the y-axis it intercepts at the point 0 beta. Now we have to find out, we know the intercept from that the straight line equation will be x by alpha plus y by beta equal to 1. Now we wish to replace alpha and beta with p and theta. So how can we do? This is perpendicular, this is must be pi by 2, and this must be pi by this angle must be pi by 2, this is pi by 2, so this must be pi by 2 minus theta. So what will be the this angle must be theta, and this must be pi by 2 minus theta. So we don't need we need just this angle and this angle. Now this distance is alpha, this is alpha, and this distance is beta. This distance is beta. So this is a right angle O R S T. So triangle O R T, right triangle, right triangle O R T gives us what it gives, that P by uh, P by the perpendicular by the hypotenuse, P by beta, P by beta is equal to perpendicular with respect to this angle. This is perpendicular and this is the hypotenuse. This is equal to sine theta. So you can find out here beta. Beta will be P by sine theta. And from this angle ORS, right angle, right angle, right triangle, ORS, with respect to this angle, this is the hypotenuse and this is the base. With respect to this angle, this is the base and this is the hypotenuse. So P by alpha, P by alpha is equal to cosine of the theta, cos theta. So here you will get alpha is equal to P by cos theta. We will replace the value of alpha and beta in the equation 1. Then we will get the normal form. So it will be, if we replace this and this, then it will be x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p. So this is our normal form of the equation of the straight line. The important one, especially for IIT joint students, very important. Many questions are asked in this form. Remember, one thing you have to remember that any here you are watching 4 and 5 forms. So all are important of equation of the straight line. So this is the general form and it can be transformed in any one form. This can be transformed in tangent form. This can be transformed in the intersect form. This can be transformed in the 2 point form. If 2 points are given, and this general form also can be transformed in the normal forms. Very easy. You can go through a book to find out. If you have any problem, then comment me. I will then try to understand. Go through a book. Now let's see some examples. Now we'll study one important form also. This is the sixth form, the distance form, symmetric form, parametric form. This is called the distance form, symmetric form, parametric form. So here what we are to do, the if we have two axes, x-axis and y-axis, and this is origin to, and here we have a straight line, straight line. Then if it makes angle theta, it makes angle theta anti-clockwise direction, and there is a point, there is any point given, this is P, this is given that this is x1, y1, then we have to find out the equation in the symmetric form, how we can find out this. So here we will take any point Q, this is Q, its coordinate is xy. So here this distance is x1 and this is y1. This distance is x2 and this is y2. Now we will draw a perpendicular from here. Then this will be equal to x2 minus x1, and this distance will be y2 minus y1. This is the distance between x2 minus x1 and this distance. So if there is angle theta, then there is also the angle will be theta. So sorry, this is not y2, and this will be y just. This will be just y. I have taken the coordinate xy, and this is just x. So this will be x minus x1, and this will be y minus y1. So y minus y1, x minus x1, this is y and this is x. So that will be, and here if we find out, and we are taking the distance between P and Q is R. The distance between P and Q, this distance is R distance. R is the distance, the distance between P and Q. Now Q is variable. Q point is variable point. This is its coordinate is x1. So we will represent um, the variable point with respect to this the known point x1 y1 and the known angle theta. How you can do this? This is a right angle. This angle is a right angle. So it will take right triangle. It will take sine of this theta. What will be sine of this theta? Sine of the theta will be perpendicular is y minus y1, y minus y1, hypotenuse is r. Then it can be written down in this way: y will be equal to y1 plus r sine theta. And what will be cos theta? Cos theta will be x minus x1 by r. What will be x? X is equal to x1 plus r cos theta. This is our parametric form of equation. We have to know the distance from the from any point, from this point, from any known point to any unknown point, the distance and the angle theta, which it makes with the straight line with the x-axis, and then we will have the equation of the straight line. So this is the parametric equation. It is the parametric equation parametric form of equation. In the distance form, what we can do, we can find out from it what is the what will be equal to r. You can write down this: r will be equal to y minus y1 by sine theta. What we write down here, r is equal to x minus x1 by cos theta. So both are equal to r. So we have the distance form, and the distance form we have x minus x1 parametric form. The distance from symmetric form, you will say. Here also a condition that when important condition where three straight lines, three straight lines will be concurrent, means must pass through a single point. Concurrent. There is a single point through which all the straight lines pass through. So if we will take first equation, first straight line, this is the first straight line, u1 x plus b1 y plus c equal to 0. Second straight line will take b2 x plus b2 y and then c1 c2 equal to 0. Third straight line we are taking a3x plus b3y plus c3. So if we draw a Cartesian plan, so the three straight lines pass through a single point, then they will fall concurrent. So yeah, we used to find out the condition. What condition required to be concurrent? Find out the condition of concurrence. It looks like in this way. If this is a straight line, this is the first straight line, and if this is the second straight line, parallel of course, then the third straight line also pass through this intersecting point. This is the third straight line. So there must need a condition. So the condition is that the determinant of the coefficient of these three straight lines u1, u1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, c3 must needed to be equal to 0. Can be proved. I am not going to prove this. So this is the required condition. The required condition that the determinant of their coefficients of the three straight lines must be equal to 0. Now we solve this problem. solve a problem related with concurrence. There are given, now take a example, so that three lines, straight lines actually, straight lines, 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0, x minus 5y plus 9 equal to 0, and 3x plus 4y minus 11 equal to 0. Three straight lines are concurrent. We have to show concurrent. How we can prove this? We know the condition that the determinant of the coefficients of the three straight lines must be equal to 0. If we show this, then we can show that these straight lines must be concurrent. So you have to just follow to make the determinant with this coefficients of the three straight lines. This is plus 2 plus 3 minus 8 plus 1 minus 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 4 minus 11. So 2, 3 minus 8, 1 minus 5, 9, 3, 4 minus 11. So what is the value of this? To find out, this is equal to 2 into plus 5. This will be 36. The negative, this is 3, and this will be minus 11. This will be minus 27. This will be minus 8, and this will be 4, and this will be minus, so here minus 50 plus 50. This will be 90, and this will be here minus is taken, or plus 3 multiply 27 and 11, 38, and this will be minus 8 multiply 19. So of course, if we take here 19 common, so you can divide this 2 into 19 plus here 6 into 19. 19 to the 38 minus 8 into 19. Let them, this 8 into 90 minus 8 into 90. Same values. I will go to I will go to multiply this just simply just use of numeric. I have solved this. This is equal to 0. So this condition is satisfied. The condition of concurrence is satisfied. Concurrence is satisfied by the three statements. They must be concurrent. So they must be concurrent. They are concurrent. So you understood this problem. The three statements are given. It is not three statement, and you have to find out that the three statements are concurrent. So we have used that find out that the determinant of the coefficient of the three statements are equal to 0. This is the condition of the concurrence is satisfied by the three statements. So they are concurrent. So now we know we will study what is circumcenter. What is circumcenter of a triangle? It is found by geometrical tools that if you draw a triangle, any triangle, then if you take the perpendicular bisectors of each side, this is the triangle ABC. If you take the perpendicular bisector of BC, this is this is the perpendicular bisector at the point D. This is the perpendicular bisector at the point here DE. So the other you have studied in earlier class, is class 9 or 10 class 10 topic. That the other bisector perpendicular bisector must pass through this center, this point, and you can draw through it a circle also. A circle also. So the radius is this is this is called the here, this is called the circumcenter. and the radius of the circle. So this is a triangle which passes through the vertices of this triangle, and its center is at the circumcenter of this circle. So here the radius are, this is the radius OC, this is the radius OA, and this is the radius OB. So here OA, OB equal to OC, all are the radius, all are the radius of the circle. So these radius are each called, all these radius are called circumradius. So we now need to solve a problem, solve a problem. They are given that find coordinates of the circumcenter of a triangle